On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. Happy Freaky Friday, Bitcoin dying, Madonna. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you've had a beautiful week so far. I got my ass whooped yesterday. Holy. You know, you gotta laugh, right? You gotta laugh at yourself. Almost an absolute crushing day yesterday. Like literally a difference of 2 cents. But hey, we're here for it, man. That's that's the market. We'll talk about it today. What's going on, everybody? Let's jump into the chat. All you absolute gorgeous, legendary, sexy otters, man. Holy. Literally. Oh, man. What a painful day yesterday. I lost $3,000 yesterday. Sheesh. I'm up over 5,000 this week, though, so. I got my ass whooped yesterday, you know? Yeehaw! Counts down to 32. Woo! Just a little bit. You know, what I've realized with this market, after my pontification of getting my ass whooped, it's very obvious that I'm not being patient enough. How can you be any more patient in this market, right? Oh, man. How can you? I mean, I was up 8 racks, and now I'm down. Now I'm up 5. So, I mean, it is what it is. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. Guys, I was down yesterday. I shorted Solana, guys, right here. Oh, man. I can't even look at it right now. I shorted Solana right here. I got in right here, right? $800,000 position size. Stop loss was above the high. Scalp trade. I hit TP1 on this roll down here. And then this guy right here came back and tapped me out. Literally to the tick. To the tick. Ugh. $12,000 trade. $12,000 trade. And I was down. I was down 3.5. 3.5 at this point. It was a 12K trade. And it was so nice. Man, we're dumping right now. We're dumping right now, guys. There is no second best. Bitcoin's going to zero, guys. Just rip it down, baby. Let's go. I got to see some twos in the chat. At least somebody like take away my my regret. Yeah. You know how much money I made on my $12,000 trade? $71.90. Entry 76.37. Stop out 76.32. $71. 76.32, man. You know, I haven't gone back and actually looked at this fully. Yep. The highest 36. 4 cents, guys. 4 cents. 4 cents. Jeez. All right. Now that I've you know, you gotta like it's like trading exposure. This is good for your mental, right? It's really good for your mental. You gotta go back and like revisit your demons, right? Anybody? You gotta also put in like the price and the position size and see like if it went to your take profit, how much money you would have made. That really helps the mental too. I know you all do it because I do it. Right? The dark side of trading. And Bitcoin. I mean, London waking up grumpy, man. Holy smokes. It must be too hot there. You know, they don't have a lot of AC in England, and I heard it's bloody hot in there. So we are getting our ass whooped. I managed to short here last night, take profit here as well. And that was a decent trade. I think I made a couple $100 off of that. And then I got stopped out somewhere in here. But damn, that was a good short level for all you Asia traders, man. 10 o'clock. Yeah, that's way too late. This is past my bedtime o'clock. And we've been here crushing the stream. So how's it going, everybody? Good morning. Thank you for being here. Up 1.2 G's now. Let's go. Let's go. That's not a medium pecker. That's an absolute giant wet noodle. Let's go, medium pecker. GG's, man. Thank you for the extra videos and mental health training. Yeah. I mean, there's a whole new mindset playlist on the channel now. Good work. Good work, Pekka. Twos, baby. Let's go. Welcome to the emojis there, DCA Biddy. God bless you. Thank you for doing that. Welcome to the emojis. AlexOCrypto, good morning. Good to see you. DCA Biddy. Peace to all. That's it. This is not where we long, guys. That's all I got to say. The only thing that's worth longing is NASDAQ and the ES. The worrisome thing is if the NASDAQ rolls over, Bitcoin is done for. Holy, big sell-off. What's going on, Jason? Good to see you. G1. Happy Friday, everybody. Fusta. Keen Bean, my man. Mr. Piper, how you doing? Crypto Dom. Duality. Good morning. Trez Turk. I don't know what to call you, man. That's a weird name. Trey. We'll call you Trey. What's going on, Trey? How you doing? Proof of work. Jojo. Mojo. Jojo. Happy Friday, gang. Let down the hair today, man. This is Shit Talking Avenue. We are here for it. We are bear flagging, and we are going to come in Ciderville. Oh, man. Let's go. Send it to 0. I think Solana needs to come back down to 74. If we're going to roll over, let's just do it. We got a couple of things coming out today. Can someone confirm this? Did the Fed, Mr. Warsh, cancel his speech today or something. Did he cancel it? We got retail sales anyways. Or retail. I don't know how Army Piper says it. He's retail sales. Retail sales. Retail sales. Retail sales. Retail sales. That's how Army Piper says it. I can't do it. I'm not from Texas. Retail sales. Whew. Rip it off, baby. Send it to 0. Let's go. The only possibility right here, SFP long, potentially. Oh, baby. I do not want to get in the way of this thing. If you're long, I would close. I would close it. Woo, dump it, baby. Capitulation, baby. Welcome to August. What's going on, Alexander G? How you doing? Matt, Sparrow, Bagat. Good morning, guys. Jason, Dom, Proof of Work. Good morning, Son of the King. How you doing, man? God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. Bay, Tay, Bay. 585, my man. How you doing? Mr. Pecker here, swinging it around. Mel, Jack's Trades, Chantel. God bless you. Pat, how you doing, man? Always pay homage. Off to work. I appreciate that, man. Thanks for dropping by, bro. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Happy Friday. Lava Man. Kevin McGee. Greetings from Norwich. He's from Norwich. Bloody hell, mate. You having a chip botty today? It's definitely a day to have some chips and gravy, or at least get yourself some curry sauce with your dinner tonight. No, I'm allowed to do that, okay? My wife's from Worcester. And I say it correctly. Wash your sister sauce. She's from the Worcestershire. Hopefully you're doing well, Mr. Norwich. BB, how you doing, Loco? D's Jarvis. It's like D's Nuts, but it's D's Jarvis. Good morning to you, Loco. Sparrow. Very profitable week so far. I mean, 5K for me is kind of low. It's kind of egotistical, isn't it? I mean, when the market was correct, I was doing, well, you can ask, but I was doing like 20K weeks. 20K weeks. Right now, it's like lucky to squeeze 10 out of it. It's just the opportunities for scalps are a lot. They're limited. They're limited to my beautiful interpretation of price action. The only limit is yourself. Isn't that what I'm supposed to say? Isn't there some mind shit bolt? You know, you only limit yourself by the. I ain't gonna get all Morgan Freeman on a Friday. I promise you that, guys. Jezzy, good to see you, man. Gates to profit. Good morning. I'm still short on Solana. Let's go, baby. What's going on, Senior? You want a setup? Wayne Rossi. Morning. Good to see you, man. Damn, this thing is just rolling over, man. Bruno, how you doing, man? Cypherpunk, good morning. Dark. Sometime is better to not move stop loss. Yeah, I agree. You're right. Ooh, what's going on with the NASDAQ? Can somebody talk to Mr. NASDAQ? Anybody? What happened here? Hello, guys. Did we get something news-wise? Holy Batman. Coming back up, retested previous lows. Could consider short here. Something like that. Could consider it. What's happening with the NASDAQ? Jeez. So Bitcoin pumps on NASDAQ dying. Interesting. Volatility coming in at 8:15. We don't have news until... No news until what? Come for the low here. Let's give it a whirl. Considering short here. Like pretty cheap trade. Continuation down. NASDAQ rolling over. Still pushing back here. This can reject here. NASDAQ continuing to roll over. ES rolling over. Biddy's still pushing here. I'm trying to get down to 62 to 250. Yeah, that's where I'm trying to go. Considering short here, I like to push back. Solana retested previous lows. Yeah, I like it. Roll over, roll over. I do not want to see a bounce off of NASDAQ here. I'd have to open it up, I think, for rollover here. Okay, I'm going to give it a whirl here. I'm getting short. Just looking to come into the lows. Very simply. Let's see if we can get into the lows here. $500 risk, not bad. Just looking for a continuation down here. We'll see if we get it. Stop above the high. Little scalp. We'll see if we roll over. Unless like this is sufficient to take here, which doesn't make sense to me. I think we need to come here. Do it, Bitcoin. NASDAQ's on our side. NASDAQ rolling over aggressively here this morning. Failure to make higher highs here. Retest a previous low. Continuation down. Little trap. I like this. Roll over here. I'll take half here if we come down. Just looking for follow through into the lows, really. This is where like bounces right in my face, right? No liquidity coming. Yeah, of course it does. Doesn't want to be a gentleman this morning, Bitcoin. You know, you could be a gentleman. You could roll over. You could be a fine gentleman, or you could be a namby-pamby. Yeah, it's being a namby-pamby. That's weird. That's pretty lame, isn't that? I thought we were getting paid here. NASDAQ starting to bounce. ES starting to bounce. Bitcoin following suit, probably. Maybe a little bit early to the party. I think we were early, guys. Solana bull divs. Solana looks good. I still like the idea of coming to the lows though, so I ain't giving up on you, Bitcoin. I still got you, girl. Even if I don't mind getting stopped for 5 on this. Dump it, baby. Early morning trade, eh? Good morning, everybody. Pecker, how you doing? Trey, medium Pecker, short, Miller, Dangers, good morning, Frog. That's Angry. Angry Frog. I'm in the same boat. I shorted the original low. TP then hit. Yeah. We gonna try this again? Are you gonna take 50 here or not? Then we leave this thing to run. All the way down to 62.5. Decent Crypto, good morning. How you doing, man? Dave Digital. My brother. Terry, how you doing? Good morning. As soon as I put that there, it gets excited and it runs away, right? This is worst advice I've ever heard. Okay, maybe the worst. I've watched Investing Bros. Did you watch them? Was it no good? You let me know, Dave. Medium Pecker, Crypto Jim, Cubanadian. Good morning, bro. How you doing? B-Rad, Mr. Kempe. I remember when I used to call you Kempe. Mr. Kemp, how you doing? Mr. Florida. How you doing? M.M. Miller, woke up happy. I mean, were you... That's good. D. Parker, how you doing? I got effed up yesterday, yeah. I got chopped up too, man. Down 3 racks yesterday. This is really struggling this morning, guys. It's that volatility, right? It's that Nasdaq still on our side. Might not be ready. I just wanted to take that low. How low can you go? That's where I want. Doesn't seem to have the capacity to roll over this morning, guys. Interesting. I don't like this. There's two nice wicks here. Buyers stepping up a little bit, so probably gonna get stopped here. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, I should have closed that out. I mean, how do you justify that one, right? Gonna get stopped here. That's fine. Be a little bit cheaper here. Save some money. On to the next one, guys. On to the next. On to the next. I was just looking for follow through of this move here. Slap back up for late shorts and then continuation down into the lows. Right? It's really not pushing here, is it? This price action is fun, isn't it, guys? Do you guys enjoy this price action? There we go. Stopped out. Oh. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, didn't. All right. Down 5 to start the day. Looking for that rollover continuation trade. No follow through. That's all right. On to the next one. Breakdown, retest, lower lows, lower highs. I still like short here. I still like short, but we got news data coming out in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna chill on that one. Retail sales forecast 0.3. Solana looks bullish. This is good for Solana right here. 3 drives of the lows. NASDAQ rolled over, roll over, roll over. It's the price action's tricky. That's the thing. That's a good stop out anyways. I'm okay with that trade. Thank you everybody for being here. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Be rad. Guy Kemp. MM Miller, how you doing, man? D Parker. Good morning, Adam. Bilal. How you doing? Philly Skills, Wagwan. Good to see you, man. No more trading for me today, taking the kiddo. That's nice, man. Enjoy your time with the kiddo, bro. Nothing better. That was me yesterday. I was playing. We went and jumped in puddles. I was down 3K, and I'm like, okay, let's go. We got the rain gear on, and we went and jumped in some damn puddles. That was the shit. That was so good. Send it to 47. Then we played some hockey in the basement. And some soccer. What else did we do yesterday? Good fun, man. Little man's awesome. T-Crypto, Wayne, how you doing, Mech? It's the Midwestern. Okay. See, I didn't know. Alex B, good morning. I don't know how to say your name, but good morning, bro. How you doing? JR Prince, David Stacy, Bilal, Paul, how you doing, guys? Sparrow. Good morning. Thank you for being here, guys. Good morning, Mr. Pixel, Josh Parr, DMA, 74 for Sol. Sol looks bullish right now. This is bullish for Solana so far. This is 3 drives of the lows. Anchor trigger wave, bullish divergence, trying to push out. This looks good for Solana coming up into here. Yeah, Solana should have told me not to take that trade. A little bit rushed maybe. NASDAQ pushing back. All right. ES. Solana coming back. Wick test, continuation up. Bitcoin, continuation up. All right. Pushed in here. Everything's pushing. So, obviously got caught a little bit with the short. I'm okay with that. Good risk management. Top of the morning. News early. Jackson Crawford. Darren does things. What's going on, bro? Constantine, good to see you, man. Jason, C-Town, Ever, Primo, how you guys doing? Coolison, Dusty, going to 0. Good morning. I think we tap VWAP. That'd be great. Yeah, VWAP, fair value gap right here. Potentially. Last week of Dubai, then golf in Orlando. Let's go. Crypto, Rob. GG's, man. That sounds like fun. Good morning from Alabama. What's going on, Alabama? Us Canadians love Alabama. You know Alabama has a better, what is it, GDP than Canada? It's pretty funny, man. Pretty funny. Oh, man. Rudy, how's it going, guys? Thank you guys for being here. Good morning. One loss today, down a little bit. On to the next one. Here comes the news. The news is out. All right. Retail sales is down. All right. Retail sales is down. Not looking too hot here for retail. NASDAQ spiking up. Bitcoin rolling over a little bit here, coming back. Bitcoin rolling up. Like to see Bitcoin hold here. After all that. Can we push? NASDAQ likes it. ES likes it. SpaceX likes it. Let's get long. We long? Looking to get into the highs here. Every time I put my take profit on the chart, it runs away. Are you just a little namby-pamby or what? You want me to make it bigger for you or what? Fair value gap's here. This high. Oops, I didn't mean to close that. Push you, Nambi. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I can't believe I've taken 2 trades already. A little bit trigger happy here. Retest back in, continuation up here. Looking to come for the liquidity of the highs. Solana looks bullish. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Let's go. It's time. It's time, baby. Come on. We can fantasize, guys. We can fantasize that, you know, Donald Trump just bought Bitcoin. $10,000 trade. This price action is some janky ass shit lately. Really? Really? Failing to make a higher high? I mean, this is us right now. We're literally right here. Trying to get up into VWAP. This is nasty today already. I thought we had banger entry there. Retest back in, continuation out. Now we got rotation down. Like protect below the low, but it's gonna be one of those days, isn't it? I'm already cursing myself, right? What do you guys think? Are we gonna go? Patience, says Lava Man. What has become of you, old chap? 2 trades already. Yeah, I know, right? It's a trap. If this is the Y right here, like this bullshit right here. I like Solana here. I'm just not seeing it already. I think I'm seeing it. The only thing is we didn't take this low. And we didn't take this low, right? So like this is a good sweep of here. And this is bullish, this candles. Buyers stepping up, and then all of a sudden we get a big red energy. It's kind of weird in my opinion. I'm not upset about either trade. I can see buyers stepping up here. Retail sales coming out. What retail sales say here? We got Michigan consumer sentiment. That's coming out later. 0.6. Is that bad, Piper? That means people aren't spending money, right? People got no money. People are broke. That's not good. Okay? That's what I get from that. What does Piper say? Piper knows. Bad for economy and consumer demand story. Good for the Fed. May need to cut rates narrative. Okay. Trigger happy. Patience. Back into the hot dog. Yeah. I thought we were slapping and going here. You dirty bird, man. Dirty bird. Buy low, sell high. That's what this is. Buy low, sell high. You guys are right about the range. Nasty candles. I'm considering closing this right now. That's how we get follow through on that. We're clearly not getting follow through. See how it behaves at this low here. If we bounce off this low, we're okay. If not, got to bounce here. This is the bounce level. Either we bounce here. I mean, this candle's nasty. Or we go lower. Sometimes it is that simple, right? Just range trading. Push Bitcoin. I don't see the push coming, guys. I'm out. Is that stopped out? It should be stopped out. Yeah, stopped out. All right. Well, down today, man. Holy smokes. There's a $1,000 loss. We're down $1,700 to start the day. Ugh. Alex, what are you doing, man? All right, reset. Maybe I go for a coffee and come back. What do you guys think? Happy Friday, everybody. Chop, chop, chop. 80% of the time, it's that simple, yeah. 3-minute mitigation of the lows. Morning, kiddos. Time is definitely the best therapy. Yeah, man. Absolutely. Chop silly. I shouldn't have said Worcester. That's it. That's exactly why. That's exactly why. I agree. That statement wholeheartedly. NASDAQ in rejection. Damn, Daniel. Well, look at my wounds already. Interesting start. It's early, though. It's very early. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. 2 losses already. Don't want to spiral here. Retest back in here for Solana. Anchor trigger wave. I still like long. That's weird. And we're bleeding out. Looking to come for the Bitcoin sweep. So looking for a sweep of the lows right now. On Biddy. No follow through. NASDAQ. Pump and dump. Seahorse pattern. NASDAQ continuing to rip though. NASDAQ and ES still continuing to rip. SpaceX still continuing to rip. Gold bouncing quite nicely. So gold actually had a incredible trendline bounce here off of this. Pretty wild here. However, it has broken structure to the downside, so potential to roll over. Our target's 42.25 for the potential buy area for gold after a big ass rip to the upside. So keeping that on the radar. Sweep, bounce, push out. Doji engulfing, continuation down. Sweep, bounce, defending the lows. 74, 75, 34. Yeah, weird price action this morning, guys. My bad. We're here for it. I can go on and on. Dude, what are you doing? It's a simple range. You're shorting lows, longing highs. 0 order flow confirmation for anything. 63K, still resistance. You have 1K short strapped. All right. I mean, where's your live stream, bro? Thank you. I'm drinking the haterade on a Friday. Thank you for being here. I'll show you my P&L. You show me yours. Rudy, what's going on? Health. Good morning. Otter gang, gang, gang. Last week you wrote a song about Bitcoin. I'm short, no coffee long. No coffee long. We'll see, man. Looking for that sweep. Solana rotation down. Bitcoin rotation down. Dump it. Down we go. Don't get mad at us, Alex. We're here because we love you. You teach us how to trade. Sometimes we can see when you trade against your own reasoning, by the way. My P&L sucks. Aw, I'm sorry to hear that. Then don't do live streams. I'm your supporter. I'm not a hater. I'm in Discord, but you're refusing to implement order flow. Yeah, I don't like order flow. It's too much noise. My brain goes squirrely with order flow. I mean, order flow it's cool. You can see the books, kinda, but unless it's paid data, I mean, I think it's just noise. Rotation down, looking to come for the low right now. Bleeding out, bleeding out. Nasdaq looking okay. Patience here. Down we go. Geronimo. Can we dump it finally? I hope so, man. Fa. Just turned on. How's it going today? This price action sucks. Yeah. I mean, I'm down 1,500 already. Can we dump? Always. PNNL. Good evening. What's going on, Richard? How you doing, brother? Take a look at open interest. You guys are asking me to look at all these things that I don't trade, man. Next thing you're going to ask me to look at like RSI, stochastics or something. Open interest diverging, buyers and sellers, CVD. I used to look at that like way back when. Way back. Coin glass, absorption, that kind of thing. I'm not like against any of these things. If it works for you, great. Low's been taken here. Pretty aggressive sell-off on Bitcoin here. I'm glad I closed out there. Still waiting. A little bit reset here. Bitcoin taking the lows here. Nasdaq still looks healthy. Big sweep, interesting for the big sweep. Solana holding here. Order block retest, continuation. Down. We shall see. Thank you everybody for being on the live. The Trump tweet indicator, yeah, man. I can make one that just like prints Donald Trump's for you guys on the chart. That would be fun. Darren does the best things. Nice push up here. I love you too, Dave. Is that the low? Are we happy with that? Nasdaq is. Big candle energy here. It's just constant traps. That's all it is. No structure. The lower high is all the way down, so just remaining patient here. Nasdaq trying to push. ES flat. Bitcoin needs to come for the low. That's how I'm looking at it. And I'd prefer 62,200 for now. The way we've rolled over though during London though, like I'm also interested in coming for this general area in here. Because this is a bit aggressive in my opinion. But there's no strengths coming in here. You can see it. It's just like it pushes back for late shorts and then it continues. So a little bit of patience here. Dump it. Twos in the chat if you're short. This is hot dog, yeah. When the green volume come, gonna push hard. Yeah, when buyers decide to step up. I agree, Rudy. SEC do cattle futures? Yeah, we should, man. When you go for the coffee long, it will play out like 64%. I've been watching the streams, trades on Discord. You'll bounce. Yeah, getting L's in is always a good thing. As long as you're managing your risk. I mean, both of those trades, I took less of a loss on. I de-risked on both of them. So at the end of the day, I've saved myself some money. Right? Can I ask why 62,200? Key level, man. I can go into it a little bit more. Walk is over. Time to move. Let's go. Deuces. Let's go. GG's, guys. Nice shorts. We are the only ones left in the charts. Everyone else on vacation. Yeah, it does feel like that a little bit lately, doesn't it? The last 2 weeks have been pretty flat. Why 62.2? We got liquidity of the lows. Okay. Liquidity of the lows in here. Order block down in here. So I prefer 61,200, but do we get it? That is the question. Here's the coffee long. I'm going to go and do it. Coffee long for you guys. I'm not taking it. Silence stream. I'm going to give you guys silence today. right. It's not even 7 o'clock. I found my hat. I've been looking for this hat for a while. Ooh wee. Go backwards hat. No, that's like 2 Trader Geo. That's a fake coffee. Yeah. No kidding. Happy Friday, everybody. It was important that I reset. I was getting a little irritated with myself, so I needed to go and take a breather. Oh, man. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. Happy Friday. 300 people here. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Looks like this thing's going to roll over. When does it happen? You guys tell me. 2 losses today. Down 1,300 to start the day. That's where we're at. So it's all right. Get those losses out of the way. This looks like rollover city, man. So got faked out on the rollover here. Too early. Should have been up here. Got caught with the long here. I was up. Funny thing enough, I was like up 400 here and I was up 600 here. So like I could have cut those trades. So that's how it goes sometimes, isn't it? Especially with this price action. I mean, geez. This is it's challenging, guys. Coming for the low right now. Bitcoin rolling over. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Dump it. So we're looking for a sweep and a reaction here. We'll see if we get it. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream, hanging out here. Equal lows. Oh, man. It's Friday. Got to get down on Friday. That's it, man. That's it. It was 2 Trader Geo. Within the sound of silence. There's echo. There shouldn't be echo. I like the scam. It paid for my house. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hopefully, you're all having a wonderful day. Alex went to punch pillows. Yeah, I went into my padded room and just chucked myself on the wall. It's a write-off. Shout out to my accountant, Steven. I have an entire room in my house that's just padded. And I just go in there and flail. I have a flailing room, I call it. It's the best kept secret in all of day trading. It's called a flail room. Okay, that's my edge. I go in there and I flail. And then random things. My wife gets to drop, and it's in the basement, so my wife gets to drop things on my head. So she gets relief too at the same time. Right? And then there is there is a Velcro wall for midget tossing. Yes. If you guys don't know about the midget tossing story, there was a college bar where we used to go and throw midgets. Maybe we'll go down the midget flailing story today. Who knows? But there was a college bar where, there was legit this midget who would go there, like Tyrion Lannister midget, full on. Shout out to the midgets, man. I'm close. 4'10", guys. I'm only 6 inches off of being a midget. And he would wear this Velcro suit, and you would throw him, and he brought this to the bar every Saturday night. And there's a big board that's Velcro with a big target on it, and he would obviously wear the opposite. Every time I see a target, I got to do a fib spiral for you guys, right? All right. And it was creative because he had like the fluffy side. So he was like fluffy. All right. And in his suit, he had so this would be his suit. And he had these 2 handles on either side. One here and one here. So you and a buddy could get both sides. And fucking 1, 2, woof. And I mean, couple wobbly pops, and here's the SFP, guys. I haven't taken those trades. This is a trap. Yeah, and then you just heave ho, man. Heave ho. Solana trying to bounce? Nope. Bitcoin's got to go here. Buyers, step up. Buyers, step up here. SFP. See if buyers step up here. Can't be that easy, can it? Long? They're going to make it that easy today? I don't think so. No way. NQ still pushing here. I don't think they're going to make it that easy. Still bleeding out here. No buyers. No close back within the range. Still waiting. No trade. That's a little fake out here. Not enough violence, in my opinion. I want to see more violence. Come on, Biddy. Slap it. Rolling over, baby. No trade. I think he went to got a quickie before he went and got the 2 losses. I so needed that story. Yeah, I mean, we would. Yeah, it was good fun. College bar. I mean, it was like back then. It was like I think it was $40 a chuck, right? A throw. So like, I mean, this guy would come in 4 hours. He'd do like one throw every 10 minutes, right? So that's what you got 6 throws an hour, right? You do the math. This guy was making bank. He worked probably one day, right? 40. Let's say he did like 8 throws an hour. Time, and he was there for 4 hours. This guy making $1,200 on a Friday night. Done for the week. Cash. Crazy. And that's back in 2016, 2018, right? When stuff like that was legal. Oh man, I love college. Bitcoin rolling over here, guys. Nasty. Nasty, nasty, man. Can it hold? NASDAQ grinding up. Coming into market open. We got 10 minutes till market open. Bitcoin just rolling over here. Oof. Stalling out. I prefer Solana here. Like if Solana can hold this low here, 75.40, we're good. But Bitcoin, that's a nasty candle, guys. Congratulations on your shorts if you are short. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Have you ever held your position more than 24 hours? Absolutely, yeah, man. I've held long trades. I typically swing trade on spot, though. Like I'll put 10K on spot or 20K on spot So don't have to kind of monitor it. Free falling. Still waiting here, guys. This would be juicy, wouldn't it? Into market open. Lose the support here. Bitcoin wants to roll, which it is. That's a big rollover for Solana, 74.60. There's not a hell of a lot holding it here. Solana trying to sweep the lows again. Considering short here. Bitcoin trying to bounce. Losing support here on Solana. Potential short opportunity. Potential. Coming into market open though. Just cautious for now. Waiting to see if Bitcoin wants to bounce. If Bitcoin continues to roll over, we're going to get short here. It's a nice sweep on Solana though. Still waiting. Thank you everybody for being on the live. We got 400 people here. Bitcoin dying. Trying to recover here, but ain't looking too bueno. Solana breaking down as well. NASDAQ rolling over potentially here. Bitcoin trying to push back, reclaim the range. Coming into market open, we got 15 minutes. A little pushback here for Biddy. Thank you guys for smashing that like button. Happy Friday, everybody. I haven't even asked you guys for likes. 116 likes, 400 people here. What's going on Twitter? I think we're streaming to Twitter too. How you guys doing over there? Thank you for following over there. We're down 1,300 today so far. Yeah, we got 15 people over on Twitter. What's going on, guys? Thank you for being here. We got the giant mug today. Bitcoin trying to push back here. Retest the previous lows. Continuation down, potentially. Trying to bounce. Solana reclaiming the range here. I don't know, Bitcoin. Not looking too hot. There is no Twitter. X. Frosty's Rick. If ETH come down, where should it go? ETH? 1854. 1854, baby. Bitcoin trying to retest these lows. Strengthen the move. Solana bounced in here nicely. NQ rolling over, coming into market open. Same with the ES here. Initial, what did we have this morning? We had retail sales. Poor spending, man. Not good spending. Hammer engulfing candle. Trying to push back here for Bitcoin. Still no trade. I prefer shorts here today, but clearly a big rollover. It's been the same pattern all week. Bam, 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 bam. So, do we get a little bit of relief? We'll see. I still like lower for Bitcoin. Bull div in here. Trying to push back, retest to previous lows, continuation down. ETH looks nasty. Weakness on Bitcoin, retest to previous lows. NASDAQ rolling over, ES rolling over, trying to push back. Short. Wow. Let's go dump it. I wasn't going to give this one. I felt like responsible to you guys. What? Let's go, baby. Up 500. Solana coming back, retest to previous lows, continuation down for Bitcoin. It shot off here. Looking for rotation all the way down to 74. We'll look at these lows first. If we do rotate. And then we'll look to come all the way down to here if we do roll over. You guys can say GG's still. I don't mind. Retest back in here for Solana. Bitcoin retest to previous lows, looking for rollover here. So we'll see. We're short. Solana retest back in, looking to go all the way down to 0. Well, looking to come back into here. Can't believe I shorted my baby here. You guys are going to be like, what an asshole. We'll see. I mean, it's clear weakness, lower highs all the way through. So it's like I'm looking for them to push it up to the top and then drop it, right? So that was, you know, as simple as I can make it. That's it. Does Bitcoin hold the lows and push back up, make higher highs, higher lows? We'll see. The Solana, we'll see. Solana probably retest back into here, retest the lows as well. My opinion, clear weakness though on the market. So we'll see if we want to come back and stop me out. That's cool. I'm looking for this thing to roll over. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out here, supporting the channel. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. And we take the trades, we show the trades. We're still down today, guys. We're still down. We're down like 800 now, right? Let's see if this wants to follow through. If you're new here, welcome. We trade on Bitunix. We have a VIP 3 pinned in the comments down below here. Deposit bonuses, all that good stuff. We also do $5,000 worth of giveaways every single week on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So if you do want to participate in that, all you have to do is use that link pinned down below. Deposit, trade. You get some raffle tickets, and then you're good to go. Wave Cypher is laughing because I'm short on Solana. Yeah. Yeah. Too good. Bottom blasting. This is a pullback, right? It was a pullback, tweezer top short. Follow through continuation, right? The idea is stemmed. I mostly trade my ideas based off of Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin's retested previous lows, NASDAQ rolling over, ES rolling over, looking for Solana to follow suit. We got critical level of support and resistance here. So Solana lost the lows, retested the range, and then dropped, right? So chop at the top, rotation down. Obviously, it dropped quite significantly here. You never plan for that, but clear weakness, right? Lower highs, not holding major support levels. So easy little scalp. And Bitcoin just struggling at the top here, right? Does it pop off here? Potentially. That's okay. We take our bit, right? We take our bit, go on to the next one. So we're still down today, which is fine. NASDAQ's trying to push. We're coming into market open now too, so might get a little bit. I might get a little bit wonky donkeyed. Looking at Solana, it's been trying to hold this level this whole time, right? Like if we lose this, we're going here. Very simple, right? Very simple. Every push has been met with resistance, right? I mean, we shorted this and we got stopped out by a little hair yesterday, right? I mean, every time though, lower highs, right? Lower highs. Doesn't mean we can't come and do this again. Just weakness. In general terms speaking too, like you're looking to retest this guy here, right? And you've done it here, but this is clear downtrend. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Solana. If Bitcoin holds here, we'll see it pull up Solana with it, right? There we go. I'd rather let it bake. Bitcoin fake out to the upside and then Solana roll over. Like Solana looks a lot weaker than Bitcoin right now. But yeah. This to me right now, either we get higher highs and higher lows on Bitcoin and then we get long. That would be reclaiming the range. Where's the range, guys? The range is here, right? So if we come back into here, we can start considering longs. If not, this is a fake out, right? This is getting longs trapped and then it, woo, right? So we'll see. We get stopped out, we get stopped out. Happy days. Low 500. Bring this down so no fees. Look to re-enter. Thank you everybody for being here on the live stream and hanging out. it's hard to time the one that actually does the move. Like when we're chopping like this, unless you're going to take this trade and like take it anywhere in here and you're going to keep your stop like this. Like that's the safe trade setup. Right? If you're scalping though, I mean, I'm de-risking and re-entering. That's scalping. I guess they're scared of my stop loss too. Don't tell them. I have a rule. Whenever the market does give you some money, you got to take it. Okay? I do have a rule. I don't need to take 75% here though, but I do have a rule. Whenever they front run and they give you a little gift, you got to take some money off. Okay? Whenever they tick you, they give you a tick, right? For your stop loss. It's just you pay homage. It's like donating at the church, right? Oh no. There we go. Marketed. Whenever they give you a tick, you got to just be like, thank you, Lord Market Maker, for I have sinned. Thank you, Lord Market Maker. There we go. It's just a rule of mine. You got to pay homage to the gods, you know, to the tick gods. Wonky Donkey. Have you ever read that book, Wonky Donkey? Bro, it's a killer book, man. These new kids books, man. Wonky Donkey Bonky Lonky. Like it's next level. Bitcoin's pushing here, probably gonna get stopped. Sol still holding 4 hour 200. Let's go. Stopped on Sol. Bitcoin pushing back into the range now. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Coming into market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I'm down 800 still. That's the GG's in the chat, though, for me. Happy days. Happy days. $1,000 loss. $400 loss. $500 win. Okay. What are we down? 900? 1,000 after fees, right? Yeah. So we're down, what, 900 for the day, starting the day. Taking the trades, showing the trades, guys. That's it. We're here live every morning. And we'll see where we get to today. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Choppy, baby. Choppy. NASDAQ rolling over this morning. We'll see where we gap for the SPY. ES has risen, okay, overnight. We'll see where the SPY gets to this morning. Probably not a big gap. All-time highs yesterday. We always short all-time highs, guys. That was the tell, right? We always short all-time highs yesterday. Boom. You just wait for the confirmation of when to short. Here's the play. We'll see where we get to today. Thank you guys for being here. I've taken too many trades this morning already. It's happy Friday. God bless you guys. We've talked about midget tossing. We've talked about wonky donkeys. And we're here for it. We're here for it. Friday gets a little bit loose, man. Sounds like a book written by Lil Wayne. Yeah, it is good, man. I should get it and read it on stream. I can ask my wife to bring it down. Do you want me to put a 1 in the chat if you want me to read Wonky Donkey to you guys while we day trade? I'll pretend you're my children, the otter children. Look at Biddy push here, baby. Let's go, Biddy. It's a trap. It's such a trap, man. This is a trap, in my opinion. I don't know why. It just smells, feels, tickles like a trap. Put 1 in the chat. You guys all want me to read you Wonky Donkey? But to a dope, should I get the Wonky Donkey and play like a boom bap hip hop, 90s hip hop? I need one of those loop machines. Boom 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 Boom, boom. The wonky donkey, wonky, lonky, 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 donkey, wonky. I should get one of those things, eh? Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Wonky, donkey, lonky. Everybody want to. Slongy donkey. Oh, man. I can't. I'm going to put Jason Casper out of business, man. He's the best rapper in all of crypto YouTube, man. One day, him and I got to do a full-on collab. A beatbox Jason Casper rap collab. It gets the people going. Boom, boom. Okay, Bitcoin's ripping and Solana's dipping. What? What is this? What is this chicanery? Look at Solana and Bitcoin. Solana's the tell. Here we go, baby. Half gap filled. Oh, man. Oh, man. Should have stayed in that short, Alex. Big slap. Big slap for Solana. Bitcoin trying to push here. Volatile, volatile, volatile. No push here for Biddy. Solana slapping down, rotation down for Solana. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. NASDAQ sweep and go. SPY selling off. SpaceX, where the Martians go to Martian. We are not the same. I am a Martian. Bitcoin coming back, retesting tops. Not looking good here. Solana losing key level of support. Rotation down. Looking to come for the low here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We got 410 people here on the live. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Solana dying. No trade here. Bitcoin rolling over. Congratulations to all y'all shorts. Y'all shorts. 3 trades today. Holy smokes. Down 900. Okay. Down 900. Two losses. 1 win. Still no trades right now. Oof. Slap and go. Bitcoin looking weak. Sell off overnight. Coming back down here. NASDAQ. Indecision. SPY. Trying to hold and push. Solana sweeping the lows yet again. Sweep, sweep, sweep. It's Sweepville here, but lower highs all the way down here. Bitcoin trying to push out here. Bullish divergence. Higher low. We'll see where we get to today. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. Oof, can we get a push out? Considering longs here, depending on price action. Still waiting. Solana rolling over. No, there is no bottom, guys. There is no bottom. Let's go. Gold ripping. SPY dipping. NASDAQ rolling over hard here. Woo-wee. Biddy ain't got no legs. Shout out to Crypto Crank. Thank you guys for being here. Nas dumping. Send it to 0, man. Nothing is happening. Fade. I agree. Happy Friday, everybody. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. I think they're trapping shorts right now. Trapping shorts, and then they're going to push it up. But when? But when is the question? It's always the question. SpaceX dumping. Tesla pumping. Pump and dump on tech. Pump and dump, pump and dump. Flat here. Still waiting. Bitcoin trying to defend this area. I don't think it's not a good look for Bitcoin right now. Solana needs to reclaim support here, otherwise no go. I like gold pushing here. Gold is pushing. This could be bullish. Just for a retracement. I think retracement up into 63 would be nice. What do you guys think? How many shorts do they have to trap, you know? No trades right now. Still waiting. Still waiting. No trades. Slap and go on Biddy. Slap and go. Slap and go? Or no? I like a push here. Can NASDAQ bounce? Oof. Slap and go? Slap and go. Push. I want to see a push here. If we can push here, I might get long. Oh, NASDAQ. NASDAQ, bye-bye. Sayonara. See you later. Ciao. No push here. No push here, no trade. No push here, no trade. 1.5 on this candle. If it's going to do it, it's here. Otherwise, it's not doing it. It's coming here. Gotta go here. 1 minute. SPY ugly. Gap filled on SPY. It's allowed to go up. Bitcoin. 1 minute on this candle. Trapping shorts. Seems like a trap. Considering longs here if we can get a good candle. Let's do it. We're long. Push. I'm going to go break even here. Looking for Solana to push out here. Took Solana. Solana's in a better spot in my opinion. See if we can get going here. Oh. Oh. Ah. Really? That was violent. There's a rollover on Biddy. Big rollover on Biddy. Stopped out. Now that's slippage. Holy shit. Wow, that should have been like a that should have been like a $200-$300 loss. It was a $700 loss. Whoa! Sweep and go. Big bounce on NASDAQ trying to push out here. I like a push here still. Very choppy. I re-entered, by the way. Happy Friday, everybody. We'll see if we can push. Live trading in the Discord after this. Biddy's still struggling, eh? Biddy's still struggling. Keep revenge trading. It always works. Yeah, man. It does. Stop going against the trend. Okay. Thanks. Police Academy 4 basketball court scene. Yeah, let's go. Chop, chop. Keep paying me. I'll gladly take. Everybody's drinking some haterade today, guys. What's with the haterade today? You guys are hurting my feelings. I like to bounce on NASDAQ. And on SPY. Biddy's struggling. Gold ripping. Everything ripping. Except crypto. Crypto going to zero. We're still long. If I cry, the views will go up. Taking the trades, showing the trades. That's it, man. I love how transparent Alex is. God bless you, Trade Intuition. Hopefully you're having a wonderful week, bro. Thank you for being here. We were up 8,000 yesterday. We lost 3K yesterday. We're down. We were down 900. We should have been down 14, but we got slipped for 7. So we're down 1,600 right now. We're long Solana. Orb is in. NQ looks good. SPY looks good. Push. As soon as I put my order there, it's gone. NASDAQ retracement, SPY retracement. Looking for follow through. Bitcoin struggling a little bit here. Downtrend. You guys aren't wrong about trend. Need lower, need lower. Be cautious. Everyone push a short. Yeah, everybody's short. That's exactly what I need. Or we could all be family and push one. We're in it, man. We'll see if it pushes here. NASDAQ popping off again. Come on, Biddy. Come on, Biddy. Come on, Biddy. Do your thing, girl. It's going to run away again. Can you blow on the candle, please, someone? Someone? Just blow on it. Garbage, man. Junk. This price action is junk. Mm-hmm. 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 You guys are more patient than I am. I want to get out of this trade, but I'm going to leave it. I'm going to trust the TA. Biddy's so weak, man. Mm-hmm. 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 Failing to push again. Failing to push. Failing to push. Rolling over. Doji engulfing, continuation down. Trying to defend the lows here. Still in it. Just rounding here. I mean, we're both bottomed here. Mm-hmm. One's in the chat if you're long. Two's in the chat if you're short. You guys let me know. Happy Friday, everybody. Ones, threes, ones, threes, ones, threes. Ain't got no legs, man. It's just failing. Anytime we push up, it's just... garbage. Short everything. Stopped out. Not good. Not good. Push, Soul. Not good. I might cut this. What is this price action today, guys? Happy Friday. Thank you for being here. At least we got the giveaway today. Giveaways are always good. That's enough. 4 minutes. We're long, but this isn't looking good, in my opinion. Bitcoin's not got any legs. Solana bleeding out. Below support. NASDAQ and SPY look good. Bitcoin rolling over. Last hope is like Bitcoin slap and bounce, right? It's been a long wait here. Oscillators on our side. Oscillator schmoscillator though, right? Doesn't really mean shit. Oscillators are only so good, right? Alex, why are you staying in this trade this long? Because of the market conditions. Bear market price action. Slow, choppy. Bitcoin losing the low. Can anybody wake up the price? Wakey wakey. Eggs and bakey. Can Trump tweet? Can we get a tweet? Or blow holding? Doesn't want to go, guys. I'm going to be here for 10 years, man. Come on, Biddy. Grow a pair, Biddy. Can someone blow on it? This is garbage, man. Absolute trash. Absolute trash, man. Absolute trash. We might as well do the giveaway. Jeez. Should have closed it there. Should have just closed it. Garbage. I'm out. Stopped out. Let's do the giveaway, everybody. And good luck with this price action. We're going to trade live in the Discord after this anyways.
Gang, gang. We want slap rotation now, 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 now. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. You in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the
Rag.
floor.
Congratulations, Rag. The big prize, $1,000. The big $1,000.
See you later, Bitcoin. Bye bye, soul. Elevator down, losing control. Trapping the post, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop.
RAG won again. $1,500 for RAG. Is it going to do it now? Is it going to do it now? Is it going to do it now? I don't think so, guys. Happy Friday, guys. A tough one for me today. We're going to go jump in the Discord and trade with them over there. hopefully you all had a wonderful day, wonderful week. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame, with a lot of haters. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.